To create a voucher program billing statement, select Billing Statement in the navigation panel, then click Create VP Billing Statement. Before creating a billing statement, check if you have done the following. Provided information needed for the school profile, namely institutional email address, billing period, Land Bank of the Philippines account details, school fees, signatory, contact person, validated learner reference numbers, start and end date of classes, assigned tracks and strands, number of days reporting from date of first attendance. To create a billing statement, select the voucher program beneficiaries to be billed. You may select per VPB per grade level by checking the box beside the name of the VPB. Or select all by checking the box in the first column. Click Create Billing Statement. Review the VPB details. Then click Confirm Billing Statement to proceed with the creation of the billing statement. Or click Cancel to go back to the VPB billing list. After confirming the billing statement, read the voucher program warranties and representations. Click Accept and Proceed. After the billing statement is created, the system will show the billing statement number and a link to view or download the billing statement in PDF format. Once a billing statement is created, the following functions will be disabled: updating the school profile, updating the billing period, updating the LBP account details, updating the school fees, updating the signatory, editing and deleting VPBs, assigning tracks and strands.